everyone from OTC 2021 in Houston, Texas. We've been waiting for this event more than 2 years, and finally we're here, and we'd like to invite you to our booth in Canadian Pavilion. So please come and see what Rigger can bring to your oilfield service and rental company.
So in the latest release of 8.5, we are featuring a number of enhancements to the product. And today I wanted to showcase several of them. First is an enhanced version of the electronic digital signature capabilities. So now we have several providers of the e-signatures that you can use to digitally sign your tickets, either on mobile device or on the main cloud system. And by doing that, avoiding using the paper in the field or at the office to get the signature of your mail client. The second enhancement of the 8.5 version is the enhanced set of features in the mobile application for the field technicians and the field supervisors. Now you can manage all of your maintenance cycle, in-field repairs, or inspections, and you can also generate tickets in the offline mode using the mobile application of Rigger 8.5. And the third thing that I wanted to mention today is that you can also use the enhanced version of our Power BI, built-in rather, Power BI capabilities. So now think of it as Microsoft Power BI, but except you have right in Rigger the ability to see through a number of user dashboards the picture, the financial, the revenue, as well as the maintenance and other activities on the dashboards that will enhance your decision-making capabilities. So come and join us here at OTC. At the same time, you can also reach out to us by phone or email, and we can set up a demo for you, especially over Zoom.
Please visit our booth in OTC, but if it's not happening, we can meet in Wyoming next month or in Permian Basin in October at Permian Basin International Oil Show. See you.